Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. I finally received my KKW beauty package that I've been waiting for, and I am going to be testing out the new KKW Beauty and Mario collab. Yes, I got the eyeshadow palette and also the lipstick. I splurged and spent my own money on these products, so this will be a 100% unbiased review. So I'll be doing swatches and I'll also be applying these products to my face. So I have the eyeshadow on my eyes right now and the lipstick on my lips. So before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see a review of the KKW Beauty x Mario collab, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So I bought the palette and the lipstick. I didn't buy the lip glosses just because, I mean, they looked like they were nice, but I really just wanted to try the lipstick out. So that's what I got. So the palette is $45 and the lipstick is $20, and the lip glosses are $18. I will say it took a while to get to me. I ordered it on April 5th and it didn't come till April 17th. So, I mean, it is a long time. It did say when I ordered that it might take a little bit longer, which, you know, I understand. It is what it is, really. So this is the packaging. It's very, very minimal and, you know, pretty cute. And I knew some people were like upset with the packaging, and yeah, I get it. It is understandable because it is a high-end brand. You want what your money's worth. But if you do look at KKW Beauty previous launches, all the packaging is very, very minimalistic. So you do need to take that into account. The lipstick packaging is, you know, it's okay. I get the concept. I think they wanted to make it look like a crystal. The only thing is, which kind of bugs me, is if you can hear it, when I like shake the lipstick, it kind of doesn't seem like it's very secure. That's the only thing that bugs me. I feel like they could have made a nicer packaging, but no, oh well. At the end of the day, it is about the product inside and not so much the packaging. On to the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Very, very stunning, very pretty colors. So I'm going to swatch these first. So this is 2008. Might be hard to see. So there's 2008. Next we have Glam. Ooh, so pretty. Next we have Miami, Armenian, Loyalty, Decade, which probably isn't going to show up. Oh, it kind of did. It's just a nice white bone shade. We have Albanian, Vegas, the infamous shade Libra. Ooh, man, that is gorgeous. And lastly, Bronzy. Ooh. So here are all the shades swatched on my arm. And here is the lipstick Classic K. Okay, so those are all these swatches. So far it's looking pretty good, but I don't want to judge anything till I put it on my face. So I'm going to zoom you in. So I already primed my lids with some concealer and set everything. So I'm going to go in with a transition shade, and I'm going to take the shade Miami. So I'm thinking, don't exactly want to use the blue on my lid. Ooh, lots of pigment. I think I'm going to use the blue on my lower lash line and just use some of these like bronzy warmer tones on my lid. So far, this is a really pretty shade. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to try to use as many shades as possible. Kind of just dragging it upward, kind of below the eyebrow. Next, I'm taking the shade Albanian, and I'm also going to put that in the crease. So far, I'm noticing a little bit of fallout, but not nearly a bad enough amount to not like the palette. I'm definitely not as much as Anastasia palettes do. But honestly, I really don't mind fallout at all. I don't really base that on the quality of the shadows. I really am just going to base it on how they look on the eye, how they blend on the eye. So this red is looking really pretty with the other shade. Do it on the other side. putting it in the outer corner and then diffusing it up. Next, going to take the shade Loyalty, and I'm going to take a kind of pointier crease brush and grab that shade and just put it right in the crease. And I want to keep that shade in the crease. So the shade is blending pretty well with the other shades. Sometimes it can be hard for darker matte shades to blend, but the shade is blending pretty well. So I'm going to bring a little bit more down, drag it to the outer half of the lid, and just bring it back in. So again, kind of just putting some on the outer half of the lid and then blending it back in. Okay, time to move on to some lid shades. So I think I'm going to use 2 different lid shades. So first I'm going to be taking Bronzy, and I will be spraying my brush because that's usually what I do anyway. Going to spray it, grab some of Bronzy, and I'm just going to take this shade and apply it to the center of the eyelid. And I'm going to kind of blend it into that darker color. So I'm just gonna put that kind of in the center and then kind of blend it into the outer corner. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Ooh, yes. Okay. So now I'm going to take Armenian, which is this kind of pale gold shade. We're going to apply that to the inner half of the eye. So again, spraying my brush, grabbing that gold shade, and applying it to the inner half. Ooh. So pretty. Just kind of blending it into Bronzy. Just blend them together to make a little ombre effect. So next I'm just going to take my blender brush I was using and kind of just blend everything together. Make sure there's no harsh lines. So next we're going to highlight, and of course I want to try out the shade 2008. It's a really nice pale shimmery color. First gonna highlight the brow bone. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Wow, very pigmented. I might have grabbed too much. This will look really good on the inner corner. Ooh, really, really pretty as the inner corner highlight. Blend it into that gold on the lid. Kind of drag it down a little bit. Right, so now the fun part, we finally get to use that blue shade. I'm just going to take a flat shader brush and going to dip into Libra. I'm just going to place that under the eye. I can get really close to the waterline. And do the same thing on the other eye. Then I'm going to take a little fluffier brush and I'm going to dip into that blue just a little bit and just kind of blend it out and smoke it out a little bit. I feel like this blue would complement someone with blue eyes so well. Because I wasn't sure how well it'd look on my eye color, but honestly, it still looks pretty good. So this is the finished eye look. I'm going to put on lashes really quick and then I will be right back. So here is the eye with lashes on. Ooh, I love it. I think it looks so good. So now on to lips. I'm first gonna line my lips. I'm just using this NYX lip liner in the shade Mauve. And now I'm gonna try Classic K. Ooh, very, very creamy. Just is like, it's like gliding right on. It feels like butter. This is like my perfect shade, honestly. It's a really gorgeous peachy nude shade. I'd be extra and add some gloss. I might add some gloss. I'm just gonna use this Dose of Colors on Repeat Gloss. I just want to see like what gloss looks like on top of it. Kind of looks similar to the darker shade in the collection, so let's just put some in the center. Really, really pretty. So final thoughts on the collection. I really, really love it. I think Kim and Mario did a great job. I think the colors are just absolutely stunning. Do you absolutely need this palette? You know, no. I mean, can you probably find these shades in, you know, other palettes? Of course you can. But for me, I am a makeup collector, and I feel like this piece is just definitely a kind of collector's item. It's, you know, Kim and Mario. I think if you're a big fan of Kim or Mario or both, then you'll really enjoy this palette. I think it is very suitable for everyone. You know, the quality is there, the pigment, the blendability is really there. So I think if you really enjoy this color scheme, then you should splurge on this palette. The lipstick is very creamy and buttery and pigmented. I think if you're a big fan of nude shades, then you will 100% love this shade. So that is it for my KKW Beauty collection review. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad I splurged and got these items. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.